Sewing is as old as mankind, and so is the sewing needle. Like the human race, the sewing needle has made progress, and so has Schmetz. Today, Schmetz is not just a family enterprise with a lot of tradition. Schmetz is the link between high technology worldwide and quality standards made in Germany. For many years, needles made by Schmetz have been used in all areas of life all over the globe. Yet we're always looking for new goals and challenges. This is how over 2 centuries, Schmetz has accumulated knowledge and been able to do research, to develop and thus combine tradition with innovation. This is one of the reasons why needles made by Schmetz are always found where dreams, desires, wishes, visions and imagination are converted into action. They are the link between fantasy and reality, the magic wand which turns fleeting illusions into something tangible. Such proof of trust has to be earned by perfection down to the last detail. This is why the company applies such high standards to itself and its products. For example, where the hardening process is concerned, even minimal divergences are registered automatically and corrected immediately. Schmetz's clients appreciate this meticulousness, which is why they entrust our needles with their most precious materials. 280 million needles per year sew treasures made from extremely fine fabrics or heavy, luxurious leather. Perfection needs perfection. A Schmetz needle passes through an incredible 70 high-tech processes before obtaining its final polish. These too are changing all the time, and new ones are being introduced. Because new materials require new solutions, Schmetz maintains a modern center for application techniques, an advantage which makes us a much sought-after partner in the field of advanced technology. A partner you can rely on. For with each newly developed needle, the quality control system is being improved. Each Schmetz needle must reveal a large number of quality features, be perfect in shape, measurements, elasticity and surface. And it must fit sewing machines all over the world. Only then can each needle guarantee absolute safety. This kind of responsibility should not be transferred to others. Not only do we design our own machines, we also build them ourselves. The conditions for these quality standards are manifold. Permanent exchange with our customers, a worldwide communications network, production centers, branch offices, technical advisors, and selected dealers. Designers, quality managers, construction managers, or technicians. Schmetz is a competent partner for them all. At Schmetz, we say challenges put to our customers are chances for us. Chances to show what Schmetz is. A guarantor for quality. Schmetz, the needle for the very best.